You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buenos dias. We are looking at how to pronounce the name of the Spanish car manufacturer, Catalan, in fact. No, it's not Seat, obviously. It's not Seat either. In Spanish, it's said as Seat, Seat. Stress on the first syllable. It stands for Sociedad Española, Spanish company de automóviles de turismo, of automobiles of tourism automobiles. So, Spanish company making tourism automobiles, if you wish. Seat, essentially, is the point, is how you say it. And more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Merci. Hasta luego. Adios. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.